Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Kevin here from Revolution Ministries. I'm here teaching a dance tutorial for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. We're gonna be learning the praise and praise and praise and praise and every praise. Maybe you guys have seen it on YouTube Shorts, my TikTok, and or my Instagram. If not, and this is your first time, we about to learn. So first things first, you're gonna jump to your left, then you jump to your right, just like this. Tap, tap. Arms are gonna be like this. You're gonna go up. 1, 2, step back on your right leg and put your hands shashi. 3, 4, you'll add a twist every time you step. Your left leg will go in. Hit, and for more dynamic, add your shoulders. Da, da. But if you can't do the leg twisty, just step, step, step. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. We turn on our left leg. 5, 6. Then we pony. 7, 8 to drop, and then we're gonna do the kickouts. For the kickouts, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna ball change. Right, left, 5, 6. We go toes, heels, straight. Okay? Let's try that with music. Let's go! So we just did the bow, 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 step through, da, da, da. We're here. We're gonna kick our right leg out, and then it's gonna turn in. As it turns in, our left leg comes up, and then it's gonna go down, boom, and then we step. So it looks like this, out and drop. And then you do it to the left, out and drop. So here we go. Hit, hop, okay? So that's after step through, drop, hit. Hand placement here again. We're here. We're gonna go hit, hey. You're gonna step back and get ready to roll your body to the left. You go step, 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 step. Go around, step, 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 step. So we just did step through, boom. Drop, in, up. Oh, I forgot what's next. I remember. We kick out, kick, hit, kick, hit. Left leg comes back to roll, 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 roll. So what we'll do is from this part. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're almost done. Almost done. Kick ball change on the right leg. You kick out, kick and step. Do it again to the right. I don't know why I said you kick to the left, but you use your right leg to kick out. That's what I meant. So you kick, step, that's 1 and 2. Kick, step, 3 and 4. You drop down 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me hear the worship. And go crazy. You don't have to do that, just go. Let me hear the worship. Hear the worship. You know what I'm saying? Anyways. We're gonna do the whole thing. The whole thing just counting, and then we're gonna break it. Break it down with music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me hear the worship. Let's try with music. Hey! Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. What's up, guys? That is the end of the dance. I know you guys crushed it. I know you guys absolutely crushed this dance. If you want to take private lessons with me, sorry, I hate music. If you want to take private lessons with me, please reach out. There's a link in my bio so that you can reserve a spot to take private lessons with your boy. If you want more one-on-one training to get better at dancing, y'all let me know. All right, we out. We out.